Hello viewers, today I am going to unbox money counting machine. So let's see which company is this one. There are some cables they are given, and two for covers. For cover this one is thing. One display here. In this one you can see this one is a display that how much money is there was. And one brush is given. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside this box. Wow, so this is our money counting machine, and here volume, AM, value, bat, these are on. Here one display is given and handle bar. So finally we open it, take it out, and this is where the money will be counted by this rotating cable. And here display one given, and to handle this, and we can like this, we can take anywhere. And here we have to put money. When trial I will be show another video when we are counting it. Bye viewers, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and support. And this is your Sachin, so bye. Some papers are given how to handle this money counting machine. So see this papers. From this you can know how it works and how to handle this one. User guide. So bye viewers.